A vision board is a comprehensive representation of your goals and plan. In creating a vision board, it helps you to visualize your goals and helps you also to manifest those goals. In today's video, we're going to be looking at 5 steps to creating a vision board, and it's going to be a really practical section. Okay, so but before we do that, I have a goal of reaching 10,000 subscribers before the end of this year, and I would really love you to help me reach that goal by clicking on the subscribe button. You will be giving me a pat on my back to say, keep it up, I love what you're doing, and you encourage me to do more. Creating pictures of your goals can help you understand them better. So we're going to dive into it right away. So but one step is writing down your goals. So firstly, you're going to ask the Holy Spirit to help you. You're going to be asking God, what do you want for my life in 2025? What am I supposed to achieve? What do you want me to achieve at the end of this year? Also, you have to write down goals based on different aspects of your life. You have to write down your career goals, your relationship, your personal growth. You know, you're going to write down what course can I take to improve on myself this year. Number 2 is gather material. You're going to be gathering some materials like gum. You're going to be gathering materials like a postboard. You're going to gather materials like pins, marker, magazines, and pictures. So also, I advise you can as well go to Pinterest to get those pictures that represent where you want to be come by the end of 2025. So you're going to go there and then gather pictures and then print them out. Get magazine also that look like where you want to be at the end of 2025. When you are done gathering those material, the third step is you begin to lay them out one after the other. You start by laying out your biggest goals. You can choose to lay your biggest goals at the middle of the board or by the side of the board, while other goals are by the side. And then also you can choose to number them. Yes, you can number your goals according to their priority. You can also go a step further to add affirmations. Those affirmations can be done with your hands. It can just be you writing out some affirmations with your pen and a piece of paper, but just stick them to each goal. And then when you are affirming, you know you affirm you already have those goals, not I will. I don't know, yeah, not I will. You're affirming I already have. If it's a car you want at the end of the year, you're affirming I have this car, but not I am going to or I will have this car. Number 5 and the last is keep your vision board where you can constantly see it. You know, the Bible says daily as you behold you become. Keep it where you can constantly see it every day. Yes, it's very important. There's something about seeing something. Yeah, the more you see it, the more it gets to stick with you, and then the more it just has to start playing out in your life. Also, take a screenshot of those goals you have actually placed on your vision board and then screenshot them into your phone. Yes, and then make them your wallpaper or something where you can also be seeing it regularly. Or I'll be dropping a video on how to make digital vision board with Canva, so I think you should watch that video as well. Remember, a vision board without action plan is just a pretty paper. So one of the things you have to do for yourself, I talked about that in my last video, is starting now. So you don't get to just write your vision board and just keep them hanging. Remember to take action steps on daily basis to get to where you want to be come 2025 December. Thank you so much for watching till the end. If this video was helpful to you, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like, share to your family and friends so they can see more exciting content like this. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in our next video.